In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a zipped file through Microsoft Outlook. This process is incredibly helpful if you have large files to share via email, ensuring they're more manageable in size and less prone to being blocked by email servers due to size limitations. So let's get started. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook. This is where we'll be sending the zipped file from. If you're not quite sure how to locate it, just head to your desktop or your list of programs and find Microsoft Outlook. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard with your emails on display. This is your hub for creating, sending, and managing your emails. Now, before we can send any file, we need to zip it. A zipped file is essentially a compressed version of your file, making it smaller and easier to send. Let's navigate to where your file is currently stored. This could be in your documents, on your desktop, or within any folder you've organized your files into. Once you've located the file you intend to send, perform a right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with various options. Here, you'll select the option that says Compress to, and then click on Zip File. This action begins the process of compressing your file, and soon, you will notice a new file appear in the same location as your original file. This new file will have the same name but with a zip extension indicating it's been compressed. Now that your file is zipped, it's time to hop back into Microsoft Outlook. With Outlook open, look for the option to create a new email. This is usually indicated by a button labeled New Email somewhere on the toolbar. Click on this and it opens up a new email window where you can start composing your message. With the new email window open, you'll see a section where you can input the recipient's email address. Just below that, there's a larger space where you can type out your message. But for our purposes, your main focus should be on attaching the zip file. Usually, there's a paperclip icon somewhere near the top of this window which indicates the attachment feature. Click on this paperclip icon and it will prompt you to choose a file to attach to your email. Navigate back to the location where your zipped file is saved, select it, and confirm your choice to attach it. Now your file is safely attached to the email, ready to send. You can now go ahead and fill in the details like the recipient's address and your subject line. Once everything is set and you're satisfied with your message, hit that send button and you're done. By following these simple steps, you've successfully sent a zipped file through Microsoft Outlook, making the whole process efficient and by the book. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.